Let's talk about Shopify POS benefits. Shopify Point of Sale is a popular tool for store owners. But what exactly is it, and why should I care? Shopify POS allows you to sell products online and in person. That's only the tip of the iceberg. Shopify Point of Sale has many benefits. Let's take a closer look at some of the benefits that Shopify POS offers. Shopify Point of Sale has a number of benefits. Shopify POS is simple to use. This is in contrast to other point-of-sale systems, which can be complex and confusing. Shopify POS is easy to use. You can easily set up your shop and add products. Customers can also be checked out quickly. Below you will find the ability to make a call to answer any questions. Shopify Point of Sale has another great feature. It is highly customizable. You have the option to select from a range of themes and colors that will match your brand. Additionally, you can add plugins and other apps to improve the functionality of your POS system. Shopify Point of Sale integrates with your online store seamlessly. This allows you to manage all of your inventory online as well as offline from one central location. There's no need to manage multiple systems or manually transfer data across platforms. Shopify POS makes it easy for you to manage your data. When choosing a point-of-sale solution for your store, there are many factors to consider. Shopify POS offers a user-friendly, customizable, and fully integrated solution for your online store. It's easy to use and set up, which will help you save time and frustration in the long term. You don't have to wait any longer. Shopify POS is available for you to try now. To schedule a personal demonstration with an expert, click the link below.